Hello, it seems that you are interested in learning Python. Well, here's a guide how to install it. At first, we need to go to Python website and download Python code compiler. Any Python version is acceptable, but if you want to have less errors and follow me more correctly, please use 3.10 version. So here's the difference in Python 3 and Python 2 version. It has different print functions, so which means that it has different brackets. If you are reading Python code that's written in Python version 2, we can easily notice that there is no brackets in print functions. When we are installing Python, we should choose Add to Path checkbox here. After checking this option, please press Install Now. We selected the option, which means that we can run code in any terminal, like in a VS Code terminal too. So it hasn't been any problem to run our code in any terminal. As you can see, we created Python file, and using this code editor, we can highlight our code. And when we are creating file, we should press File and Open Folder or create a new file with prefix. As I mentioned, the code editor has its highlighter like Python. We can search in extensions here, but it's already installed, and as you can see, everything is highlighted, and we can easily detect which one is function and which one is text. And if you don't have, please enable it or install it. In our print function, we can write some text and it prints out in our terminal. So like we can write David, and David will be printed in our terminal in VS Code. This is our first code written in Python. And if you like this, please like and subscribe our channel, and hope you done well. Have a great day.